Determine the sum to n terms of the following series. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we will suppose that Sn represents the sum to n terms of the series given by 1. This is the first term. Now the second term is 1 added to 2. The third term is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this keeps on continuing. So here, what will be the nth term of the sequence? That is simply going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n terms. So the nth term itself is going to be a sum which contains n number of terms. So here, if we consider, suppose let Tn be the nth term of Sn. Then our nth term Tn, which is given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n. Now what is this? This is the sum of the first n natural numbers, and this is given by n times n plus 1 over 2. Now that means the nth term of the series is given by n times n plus 1 over 2. We can further simplify this to get n squared over 2 added to n over 2. Now our goal will be to find out Sn, but Sn can be expressed in a compressed form as summation Tk. All we have done is replace the index n with the index k, where k runs from 1 to n. So now what we do, we use Tk. So Tn is given by n squared over 2 plus n over 2. So Tk, because we have replaced the index n with k, we're going to get k squared over 2 added to k over 2. So here k is going to run from 1 to n. Now we have half. Now half being a constant, we have pulled it out of the summation. We have half summation k squared. K goes from 1 to n added to half summation k, where k goes from 1 to n. Okay, now we have half multiplied to summation of k squared. There's a standard formula. We know that summation k squared, where the index k runs from 1 to n, it's given by n times n plus 1 multiplied to 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. So that means we have half multiplied to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. This will get added to half times. Now we have summation of k. Now summation of k with k going from 1 to n, this is the sum of the first n natural numbers. So that's simply n times n plus 1 over 2. So we use this value, we're going to get half multiplied to n times n plus 1 over 2. So that gives us n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 12 added to n times n plus 1 over 4. Now let's do one thing. We're going to take from two terms n times n plus 1 divided by 4 as the common factor. So that leaves us with 2n plus 1 over 3 added to 1, which gives us n times n plus 1 over 4 multiplied to 2n plus 4 divided by 3. So from 2n plus 4, we can factor out 2, and we can factor out the 2 from the denominator portion as well. The Sn, that's going to become equals to n times n plus 1 multiplied to n plus 2 whole divided by 6. So this is going to be the sum to n terms.